Hi students, now let's we enter into normal form. So in this previous video I taught you what is the need of a normal form, right? Now let's see what is normal form. So relation could be in various normal form. Say, let's say like first normal form and second normal form and third normal form. So here, so this third normal form is the highest one, right? So this is the highest one, and if all these criteria, the first normal form and second normal form and third normal form, if your relation, that is a table, being satisfied by all the normal form, then we say that relation is in third normal form. So it has to satisfy the first normal form, second normal form and third normal form. Once all these criteria is satisfied by the table, then we say that relation is in third normal form. So one real-time example, one student has completed 10th standard and 12th and UG and then PG. Now let's say somebody asks you like what is your qualification. So the students may say PG. My present qualification is PG. He or she won't say like, yeah, all the degree like 10th, 12th, UG and PG. So similarly, if anyone asks you like the some they given like own relation and check whether that particular table is in third normal form, so we say we check it from the initial first normal form, second normal form and third normal form. It satisfy all this normal form, then we say the relation is in third normal form. Suppose is fail to satisfy this third normal form, then we say that relation is second normal form. So again it's failed to second normal form, then say we can check it whether the relation is satisfy the first normal form, and once it's qualified, then we say then relation is in first normal form, right? Let's directly we go to the first normal form. So the first normal form, we have a number of rules. The first and most important rule is value of each attribute should be in atomic. That what is the atomic means, for example, say these are the different attributes. So here the relation, that is probably this is a student table. It has three different attributes, so namely ID, name and course. In course, in particular, like this record, consider this record, the student ID is 101 and his name is Arun, and he have more than one course in a particular attribute. So DBMS is there, and CA computer architecture and DS and Max is comes under a single column, right, under this course. So we have to reduce this particular one. This is not in atomic form, but here in Balu this is in atomic. So atomic means each and every attribute should have a single value, not more than one value. So here we have more than one value, so we have to reduce it. So how we reduce in a given relation? There are three ways to reduce it. The first one is I am presented here. So this is called duplication. So duplication means here the name and ID is repeated, but see, in course column all the values are atomic: DBMS, CA and DS and Max, but this is duplicated. The ID and Arun is duplicated, right? So this is the first form, and second one is uh, this is decomposition. Decomposition means splitting the table into two. So this is the first table which has ID and name, and second table ID and course. So here ID is the foreign key, so from which we can easily get it the course information, right? Again it's repeated. So in the previous video I thought in relation we can reduce the data redundancy, but we can't remove completely. And the third way we can represent the same the relation is null values. Null values. So I'm given like id name here, that particular attribute, right? Here the attribute is splitted: course 1, course 2, course 3 and course 4, right? And each attribute has atomic value, that is a single value, but it might have null value. For example, say the second record, Balu. Balu has a single course like CA. We can simply fill the second course, but what about the first course? Null. And third, obviously null, and fourth one null. So this is now, right now, this is in a first normal form, and this table is a first normal form, and similarly this table is in a first normal form, and this is not in a first normal form.